My name is Sonia Duncan, and I am an inventory coordinator. I was at a company for 10 years. I did many things there. Paint line, pack out areas, fabrication. After doing interviews here to get on, I just decided that this would be a better fit for my career and retirement. My wife decided that she wanted to pursue a career in welding.
Instead of looking for another job, I really wanted to come back and try Vermeer, because it's more of a career, go places and stuff. Competitive wages, great benefits. I love second shift because my wife loves second shift.
Well, I'm not a morning person, so second shift. I've worked second shift since I was 17. It's no rush to get to the bank because I have all morning to do that.
It's easy to make appointments later in the afternoon.
If we need to go get groceries real fast, I can do it before or after work.
Everyone knows everybody, especially on second shift because we're such a small group.
Even as big as this company is, I feel like your job is important and they treat you as if you're important. I've never really gotten that anywhere else that I've been. It's nice to have that support system.